The studio version of Hold Out by Sam Fender is played in C sharp standard tuning, and the live version is played in D standard tuning. We're going to be looking at the parts here in standard tuning so you can learn the song without having to detune your guitar, but if you do want to jam along with the original recordings, you will have to detune. We're going to start off with this E minor bass chord, which on the original song is actually a C sharp minor chord. But we've got the thumb over the top, 12th fret on the low E, 3rd finger, 14th fret of the D, and then the 1st finger on the 12th fret of the G. We also have the B and high E strings open, but we tend not to really hear the high E string too much. This little A string is muted with the thumb and the tip of the 3rd finger. So we're going to play that once, move down 2 frets, and we've got pretty much the same shape. We're just going to add the 2nd finger in here as well. So thumb over the top on the 10th fret of the low E, 3rd finger, 12th fret of the D, 2nd finger, 11th fret of the G, and the 1st finger on the 10th fret of the B string. We've got a little mute before we move the same shape down to the 5th fret, so we've got 5, 7, 6 and 5. There's a little riff here, 7, going down to 6 on the G, and then we move the same shape down again to 3, 5, 4 and 3. So it's that little E minor, D, A, riff, G chord. So it's from the E minor, it's from the D, little mute strum, A, riff, and then G, single strum. So for the intro, that's all we play. But in the verse, we add a little strumming pattern to the end of that G chord. Up, down, down, down. Okay, so we have the starting riff the same. Da, 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 down, up, down, down. E minor, D, A, riff, G. Up, down, down, down. The very last time before we go to the chorus is exactly the same. E minor, D, mute, A, riff, G, down, 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 down. So 1, 2, 1, 3 and 4 rounds. Then we're gonna go to like an E minor chord. Play that twice. 2nd fret on the A and D. Low E string open. Then we go to like an F sharp power chord. Just hit that once. So 4. Then up to the low part of a G chord, 3, 5, 5 and 4. Single hit again. And then another up down hit on that G chord before we go to back to our 5, 7, 6, 5, that A bass chord. Up, up, down. So E minor, down, up, F sharp, down, up, down on the G. Then to the A chord, up, down. Then we go into like a B minor chord here. We've got thumb over the top on 7, 3rd finger, 9th fret of the D, 1st finger, 7th fret on the G string. And again, that's up, down. So the whole chorus there, E minor, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. So slowly so far, E minor, F sharp, G, down, A, up, down, B minor, and then back through the riff as normal. And then also sometimes on the chorus we end on that G chord, and 2, and 3 and 4 round, and go back into the chorus.